Hello students, from this video we are starting chapter number 18, trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. We have total 5 standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. For these 5 angles you have to learn the values for all the ratios, or you can learn how to make this table. So with the help of that also you can learn all these values. So I will tell you how to make this table. For the first ratio, for sine, first of all you have to write 0 to 4. After that each number you have to divide with 4, and then you have to take square root of these. 0 by 4 is 0, so here finally we will get 0. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. You can cancel out here. Up you have 1, square root of 1 is 1 and root 2. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2. 4 to 4 you can cancel, and here 1. This first line is the for sine. So this you can fill here. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1. After getting this first row, for cos, just you have to reverse this. Write this one in the reverse order. For cos, 0 value is 1. 30 value is root 3 by 2. 45 is 1 by root 2. And for 60 is 1 by 2, and this is 0. So same thing, just write in the reverse order, you will get the value of cos. After that for tan, as we know tan is equal to sine by cos. So divide these two. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So we will get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, we will get here 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 will get root 3, and 1 by 0 is not defined. Now for cot. For cot, as tan and cot are reciprocal to each other, the same thing you have to reciprocal. So this you can write like this, or you can reciprocal it. 1 by 0 means not defined. Reciprocal it, so you will get a root 3. Do the reciprocal of 1, reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3, and this is 0. For sec, do the reciprocal of cos, because sec and cos are the reciprocal of each other. 1 by 1, 1. This will be 2 by root 3. Root 2 by 1, 2. And 1 by 0 means not defined. For cosec, do the reciprocal of sine. 1 by 0 not defined. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. So in this way you can make this table, and then slowly you can learn all these values. Now we will start exercise 18.1. All these values of standard angle we have to use in this exercise. So first question we have sine 30, 7 sine 30 cos 60. So sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So initially you can see the table and substitute the value, but later on you have to learn all these values. After multiplication, 7 by 4 or one whole number, 3 by 4. For the second part, 3 sin square 45 plus 2 cos square 60. 3 sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 and square is there, so do square. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2 and do the square. 3 after squaring you will get 1 by 2, 2 and after squaring 1 by 4. cancel with 2. So here 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, and finally we are getting 2. Next third part, cos square 45 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 30. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 whole square. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So this will become 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So these two we can simplify. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1, and 1 plus half is 1 and a half. Fourth part, cos 90 plus cos square 45 sin 30 and tan 45. Cos 90 value is 0. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 and square is there. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and tan 45 value is 1. So square of 1 by root 2 will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. So finally we will get 1 by 4. Second question, first part, sin square 45 plus cos square 45 upon tan square 60. So sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value also 1 by root 2. And tan 60 value is root 3. After squaring, it will become 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 3. 1 by 2 means 2 by 2, or we can write 1 by 3. Half plus half will become 1. Second part, sin 30 minus sin 90 plus 2 cos 0 upon tan 30 into tan 60. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Sin 90 value is 1. And cos 0 value is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. So here this root 3 and root 3 we can cancel. Half minus 1 plus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus half means 1 and a half. Next question number 2, third part, 4 by 3 tan square 30 plus sin square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 plus 3 by 4 tan square 60 minus 2 tan square 45. Substitute all the values. First 4 by 3 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 square minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3 and tan 45 is 1. 4 by 3 into 1 by 3, this will become 3 by 4 minus this will also become 3 by 4. Here 3 into 3, 9 by 4 minus 2. So this thing will cancel out directly. Here you will get 4 by 9 plus 9 by 4 minus 2. Take LCM. LCM will be 36, 16 plus 81 minus 72. Simplify it. After simplification, you will get 25 upon 36. Next, third question, first part. Find the value of sin 60 upon cos square 45 minus 3 tan 30 plus 5 cos 90. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 and square is there. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and cos 90 value is 0. Here root 3 by 2 and after squaring here you will get 1 by 2. So by 2 you can cancel. Root 3 you can write as root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 and this will become 0. This root 3 also you can cancel. Root 3 minus root 3 and finally answer will be 0. Next third question, second part, 2 root 2 cos 45 cos 60 plus 2 root 3 cos sin 30 tan 60 minus cos 0. Substitute values. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2 and tan 60 is root 3. Cos 0 is 1. You can see here root 2 we can cancel, even 2 also we can cancel, so we will get here 1. Here 2 we can cancel, root 3 into root 3 will become 3 minus 1. So finally we are getting 3. Next third question, third part. 4 by 5 tan square 60 minus 2 upon sin square 30 minus 3 by 4 tan square 30. So substitute values here. Tan 60 value is root 3 whole square. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 whole square. So 4 by 5 and here we are getting 3 minus 2, 1 by 4 will get and 4 will go up. Minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So here 3 you can cancel out. So we have 12 upon 5 minus 8 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM. LCM will be 20. 5 4 ja and 12 4 ja 48 minus 8 into 120 160 minus 5. So after simplification we are getting 117 upon 20, which you can write minus 5 17 by 20. Fourth question, first part. Prove that cos square 30 plus sin 30 plus tan square 45 is equal to 2 whole number 1 by 4. So left side I am taking, so I am substituting value here. Cos 30 is 1 by 2 means 1 by, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and tan 45 is 1. So here we'll get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and plus 1. Take LCM. 3 plus 2 plus 4, 9 by 4, which you can write as 2 whole number 1 by 4. So we got right side, hence proved. Next second part, 4 sin to the power 430 plus cos to the power 460 minus 3 cos square 45 minus sin square 90 is equal to 2 we have to prove. So left side I have taken, I am substituting values here. 4 sin 30 is 1 by 2 and power 4 plus cos 60 is root 3 1 by 2 and power 4 minus 3 cos 45 is 1 by root 2 power 2 sin 90 is 1. So 4 here we will get 1 by 2 to the power 4 means 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 1 by 2 minus 1. Here you can write it 2 by 16 minus 3 and after simplification here minus 1 by 2. 2 8 ja you can cancel and 4 2 ja, so we are getting finally 1 by 2 minus minus will become plus and 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. We got right side. Next third part of question number 4. Cos 60 is equal to cos square 30 minus sin square 30. So here both the side I am taking separately. First I have taken left side. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Now right side, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 value is 1 by 2. This will become 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So you can see here left side and right side both are coming same, hence it is proved. Next we have fifth question, first part. If x is equal to 30 degree, then verify tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So first I have taken left side. In left side, substitute the value of x. 10 2 into 30 means 1060 degree. 1060 degree value is root 3. Now we will check right side. 2 1030 degree upon 1 minus 10 square 30. 1030 value is 1 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So this will be 2 upon root 3 and in denominator 1 minus 1 upon 3. Take LCM in denominator. You will get 3 minus 1 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon 3. So this you can cancel out and it will become 3 upon root 3. After reciprocal it will go up. And here also after cancellation you will get root 3. So therefore we are getting left side and right side equal. Hence verified. Next we have question number 5 second part. If x is equal to 15 degree, verify 4 sin 2x cos 4x and sin 6x is equal to 1. So substitute values here. 4 sin 2 into 15 cos 4 into 15 sin 6 into 15. So 4 sin 30 cos 60 and sin 90. Now substitute values of this. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. Cancel with 2. So finally we are getting 1 equal to right side. Hence it is verified. So in this video we are doing till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.